Hey, what's up, folks? Troy here, and in this video, I'm going to be doing an updated Mailbot review, but I'm going to talk more about the Mailbot Master upgrade level and share with you how it's possible to double your income with Mailbot. So, if you have a work from home business, you're into making money online, or you're looking to start a work from home business, give me your full undivided attention for the next few minutes as I'm going to share with you why you should be promoting your offers using Simple Commissions, which is the company, and Mailbot, which is the product. So, this AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers, automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts, all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. So what you're going to do once this video is over to get access to this, you're going to watch this 3-minute video overview, right? 3-minute video overview talking about Mailbot. You're going to scroll down this page, and the most important thing that I want you to do, and you're going to be able to do this underneath this video in the description, you're going to get instructions on how you're going to be able to send my Mailbot an email so that you can get access to this information and much, much more. One of the things that I want you to see is, does it really make a difference from sending traditional emails or having a high converting, well customized AI email machine? I want to share with you what the differences are really. So here's what I know. Most people struggle with email marketing. Check out some of these stats just from upgrading and having the right AI email software. And again, Mailbot is going to pay you money every time you share it and someone decides to join under your affiliate link. So look at this. Open rate uplift with AI generated or AI optimized subject lines. Imagine your subject lines to your emails increasing between 5 and 10%, right? That's a big, big deal. And then if you look down here, overall open rate boost via AI personalization, up to 41% increase, as it says in some industries. Just imagine that. Imagine a 30% increase in boosting your open rates using the right AI software. And these are some of the things that Mailbot is able to do for you. AI powered open rate versus traditional, 50% higher. Click-through rate increases 13%. And then revenue conversion impact is as high as 41%. Again, depending on the market that you're in. Now tell me something. If you didn't have to create your own emails, if you didn't have to worry about crafting the perfect subject line, crafting the perfect email body, and getting more people to click on your network marketing, direct selling, affiliate marketing links, how much better off would you be? Not only that, but how much time do you think you'd be saving every single day in your marketing efforts? Here are some more stats. These are my own personal stats just from yesterday. I don't know when it is that you're watching this video, but take a look at this, right? I mean, I'm currently building an email list inside of Simple Commissions. Right now, and I checked this morning, I have 121 leads, but yesterday I had 119. Total leads who want to join, 27. Total signups, 68. Now, this number, 68, includes those that want to join. So they basically clicked on the link um, wanting to join. But think about that. If you subtract 27 from 68, you still have a significant number of people that not only became leads, but that actually bought the program. Conversion rate, 57.14%. Tell me anyone that you know right now, I don't care if they're brand new, a multiple six-figure, seven-figure, even eight-figure income earner, most people cannot come close to a conversion rate that high, right? Total earnings, 2,650. I'm closing in, getting closer and closer to $3,000 in commissions just from people purchasing Mailbot from my affiliate link. This does not include the fact that I'm drawing in traffic, generating leads, and making a lot more sales for my other business opportunities. And I'm talking about in the thousands. Now, income disclaimer, like any other business or marketing system, there are no guarantees of earnings. Your earnings are based on your own personal work ethic and daily activity. But I think this is pretty good, considering the fact that, all I'm doing is letting the system do all of the promoting for me. All right, now, and here is a biggie. So everyone starts out with Mailbot at the basic level. Look, if that's all that you are able to afford, do it. Do it. I have some people that have reached out to me and they're like, hey man, should I hold off on joining until I'm able to get the master level upgrade? And I'm like, well, if you do that, you're missing out on potential $100 commissions. So I don't think anyone should wait. But here's the deal, right? If you're at the basic level, this is the email that you're going to end up getting. You're currently earning $100 commissions on level 1, but without the master upgrade, you're missing out on $200 per upgrade. Now, there's more to this. Every time you lose a commission, Mailbot will notify you. You're not going to let that happen too many times. Now, upgrade for just $400, right? It's a $400 split 2-level payment and a one-time $199 yearly admin fee. So here's the deal, and I really need you to understand this compensation plan. So let's say you are at the master level, right? And I were to join you in Mailbot. So I join at the basic level. I immediately say to myself, hey, you know what? I want to double my profits using the same system, having a lot more capabilities. I want to double my profits. So I join you at the basic level. I upgrade same day, next day, right? You're going to earn not only $100 from me because I joined at the basic level, but you're also going to earn an additional $200 from me because I got the master level upgrade. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Not only are you going to earn $200 from me for personally upgrading under you and getting the Mailbot master system, but your sponsor, who had nothing to do with this sale, is also going to get a $200 payment. Think about what I just said. So some of you, by taking advantage of the upgrade, some of you are going to be able to earn over and over again up to $200 in pass up bonus money for work that you didn't even do. Now imagine if you had just 3 or 5 or maybe 10 master upgrades, the type of money that you could be earning. Other thing, you get more customization capabilities. You get more AI written broadcast emails to send out. You're able to check your stats, your earnings report, exclusive tools, right? There's just so much in here. And once you join at the basic level, when you are ready to upgrade, you're going to send your Mailbot. Every member gets their own personally assigned Mailbot email address. You're going to send your Mailbot an email, and in the subject line, you're just going to type, I want to upgrade, and then you're going to click the send button so that you can get instructions on how to go about upgrading your system. So, if this video made sense to you, you got some value from it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. Lets me know you're getting a lot of value from this. And you can go to the description right now and see how you can get your very own free demo from my Mailbot and interact with it. You know, ask it some questions. And one last thing that I'll mention that really excited me when I got involved with Simple Commissions. When I was sending my sponsors Mailbot emails, every last one of them ended up in my inbox, right? The emails that I have gotten from Mailbot have either been in my primary inbox tab or my promotions tab, which is fine. Why is this important? It's important because none of those emails for me have been going into spam. And you definitely want to avoid your emails going into spam. And I really truly believe Simple Commissions and Mailbot is a great way to do that. So again, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, check out the description for instructions to get your very own Mailbot demo. Once again, I'm Troy. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.